Morning. Been a while. As you can see, some things have definitely changed. I'll just come out and address the elephant in the room. Yes, I did shave my mustache. No, I'm not sorry about it. No, I'm just messing with you. But as you can see, it's been quite the change of scenery around here compared to the metal shops, fabrication shops that I was at. And we've got these big old robots, basically, now that I work with. I no longer work at a architectural metal fabrication shop with railings, art pieces, stuff like that. This is a full-blown machining and design shop. So a lot less welding here, a lot less material cutting, building large projects like that. Here's a lot more time spent in our 3D modeling software, Fusion 360, a whole lot more numbers. Machining and very precise stuff like this doesn't measure based off what a tape measure says, where it's 16ths, eighths, quarters, halves, 3/8 of an inch, stuff like that. We measure in thousandths of an inch, so down to the human hair thickness and beyond. So it's been quite the learning process for me, but add skills to your repertoire. Sorry, one of the machines is warming up right now, and I'll slowly walk through each one of these machines, what they're used for, how each one is so special, and how we utilize them to their full potential.
This is our Haas VM3. It is our oldest machine in the shop, but it also gets some of the most machining time in the shop because the rotary that's set up on the table. So it's no longer an X, a Y, and a Z axis. It also now has an A, meaning the fixture in here is able to rotate. Let's take a look. So this is the rotary that I was talking about earlier. So this machine is no longer a 3-axis. This table down here still moves in the X and the Y direction. The spindle up here moves in the Z direction, but now this is able to rotate, giving it an A axis as well. So this is a special pin vise that we came up with here at the shop, and you can actually load in 8 sticks of material, one on each side of this pin vise, but because that's on 4 different sides, you get 8 times the number of parts. But in this orientation, if parts are off to this side as well, you can also access the side of them to drill holes on the sides. And then once it rotates, you can work on the top of it and then work on the sides of the parts that are now on the bottom.